Benefits of apple cider vinegar. From your skin to your hair, apple cider vinegar can have some great benefits, but keeping in mind that it cannot be used for all purposes. We will continue on with our video, but if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. It is important to remember that apple cider vinegar is not a magic cure-all, but it does have some health benefits. If you've taken a look around on social media or any wellness-focused lifestyle sites lately, chances are you've seen something about the benefits of taking apple cider vinegar. Bloggers and websites have been describing the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar, primarily that it will ramp up your metabolism and help flatten your belly. In our today's video, we're going to continue with the amazing facts about apple cider vinegar and how it may benefit your lifestyles. Apple cider vinegar is everywhere. Everybody talks about it and everybody seems to love it. Is this just a new hype, or is apple cider vinegar actually amazing? Are there actual health benefits of apple cider vinegar? The answer is a big yes. Apple cider vinegar was used as a natural remedy for health problems for a very long period of time. In fact, it's an ancient remedy. It seems that we are becoming more aware of those benefits these days. More people are trying to improve their life by making healthier and more natural choices these days, and that's why you'll see apple cider vinegar pretty much anywhere there's a conversation about health, food, and natural remedies. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from apples. More specifically, it's fermented apple juice. To make apple cider vinegar, apples are crushed and exposed to yeast. By doing this, the natural sugar from the apple is fermented over time and turned into alcohol. Sounds like making apple cider, right? Yeah, because the process is similar. The difference is that apple cider vinegar is fermented twice, once to make alcoholic cider and a second time to make it vinegar. Containing the correct amount of nutrition compositions is what makes this amazing drink beneficial. A right balance of magnesium, iron, phosphorus, manganese, amino acids, antioxidants, and perfect calories makes the mixture just the right step to move towards a healthy step. As a hair rinse, you might have only considered the branded shampoos and conditioners or some homemade oils for the health of your hair. You may have never considered using apple cider vinegar as a rinse for your hair. But there are some benefits to doing so. The ACV solution is used as a best conditioner for the hair, pairing up with the baking soda mixture as a shampoo, and it does wonders. The health of your hair is visible with fresh and soft silky hair. Apple cider vinegar might also help alleviate scalp itchiness because it's acidic and many hair issues have to do with your hair being too alkaline. The idea is that applying vinegar to your hair will help balance the pH of your hair. Dilute it before applying it to your head though, so as to make sure you're helping, not harming. Helps in losing weight. ACV can increase feelings of fullness and help people eat fewer calories, which leads to weight loss. One study conducted over a 3-month period with 175 people showed notable weight loss and reduced belly fat in the subjects while ingesting apple cider vinegar daily. Apple cider vinegar helps in lowering down the crave for sweet dishes, which is a major standout for people to stay away from the dessert bars and lose many inches. Digesting fewer calories moderately boosts the ability to lose weight, and thus the ACV can give you a smart body. Helps with cholesterol and blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar is used to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. What's the deal with apple cider vinegar cholesterol and apple cider vinegar blood pressure? Apple cider vinegar helps in controlling renin, a hormone produced by your kidneys that is responsible for constricting and dilating the blood vessels. When the blood vessels are constricting, the blood pressure rises. Apple cider vinegar keeps the vessels relaxed, and that means the blood pressure won't rise. Helps with digestion. Apple cider vinegar improves digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar for digestion can help get rid of heartburn, reduce bloating, and improve digestion overall. Proper digestion means proper acid levels in the stomach, so the nutrients in our food can be absorbed. When there's not enough acid, food is not properly broken down, and the nutrients are not assimilated, which can lead to digestive issues. Drinking apple cider vinegar for digestion means increasing acid production, and that leads to proper digestion. Acne Clear. Apple cider vinegar could potentially work as a toner, drying out acne and lightening dark spots. Some sensitive skin people might face the problem of irritating skin, though they are suggested to test their skin before applying the solution. On the contrary, it does work well in the removal of acne and spots. Lower blood sugar. If you don't have a condition like diabetes, where you have to monitor and attempt to carefully control your blood sugar, you might not have ever considered this, but apple cider vinegar might be successful in helping you to lower your blood sugar. A study on nutrition and dietetics found that adding vinegar to a meal with high glycemic load, the one with lots of starches, can help prevent blood sugar spikes after you finish eating. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar before eating starchy foods could help prevent dramatic insulin and blood sugar changes after eating. Alleviate bug bites. If you end up with a mosquito bite that just won't stop itching, apple cider vinegar may help. Making a bath soak by diluting 2 cups of apple cider vinegar in a bathtub full of water can help soothe the itching if you have an especially large amount of bites. Cleaning fruits and vegetables. Washing your favorite fruits and vegetables with diluted vinegar is a good way to clean your produce. Simply make a vinegar and water solution, spritz onto the produce, give it a quick rub, and then rinse with water. Kills bacteria. Did you know apple cider vinegar kills bacteria? In fact, apple cider vinegar was used for disinfecting wounds and treating fungus back in the day. It was and still is a great way to treat and prevent infections because apple cider vinegar can kill bacteria easily. Treatment of cancer. When it comes to apple cider vinegar and cancer, it has been shown that apple cider vinegar can help in cancer prevention because it promotes health. Apple cider vinegar can reduce the risk of cancer and can slow down the cancer cell or tumor growth. That being said, apple cider vinegar shouldn't replace the treatment for someone diagnosed with cancer or a healthy lifestyle for those who want to reduce the risk of developing different types of cancer. Too much of anything can rather be more harmful than beneficial, and same is the case with apple cider vinegar. The right amount is suggested in diluted forms. Fail to do so can lead to negative side effects too, which includes tooth decays, lower potential levels, skin burns, and digestive problems. A little really goes a long way. Apple cider vinegar is not a miracle or a cure-all like some people claim, but it does clearly have a range of proven health benefits. It is very valuable for people who like to keep things chemical-free and as natural as possible. Let us know in the comments section the benefits you all gain from apple cider vinegar. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier life.